creation of the document. Document entry, reference documents, recurring document. Right, this is the recurring document you have to create. But before we create, I need to create number range for this. So step number 1 is define number ranges. So number range means what? In one document number ranges, documents in entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Our company code DRLB, individuals, intervals. Click on interval. So I have to use some different number range. If you give 10102 03, it will be posted. So I don't want to post the recurring document when it is created. When it is executed, then only it will be posted. For that purpose, we need to use X1. When you give X1, system will not post it immediately. Right, year 2013. So I'm taking some extreme number, right? Something like, say, 25 lakhs. 1, 2, 26 lakhs. This is used by recurring document, and X2 I'm creating. $26,1 to 27 lakhs. Save it. So once we create, now whatever the recurring documents are there, first before we execute the project, before we start the project, before the commencement of the year, recurring document I need to create now. Say since we do not have warehouse rent and vendors etc. We'll see only in when we go to the accounts payable. So that's why what I will do. See office rent and where say office maintenance, both the expenses will be paid every month. So instead of paying manually, right, let me set it automatic. Recurring document. See, this is only an example I'm showing you, but in real scenario, we'll be using where, say, for example, 100 warehouses are there. So for all 100 warehouses, we create, keep it, and then we post it. Right. So here we can set first run on. So when the first run has to be posted, say I'm taking 30/04/2013. So I'm taking with past date. Right, April month is over already, but in spite of that, I want to show you how system works. Last run on 31/03/2014, because every month I want to post. Interval in months, right? Per month, every 2 months, like that. Let us take per month. So every month I want to post starting from 30th April to last one is 31st of March. With 01 monthly means 12 months it will post. Run date, schedule, transfer amounts, local currency, this is not required. Document type. I'm going to use document type SCA, that is GL document. INR reference. Just for recurring document. Right, this is only parameters. Now actual entry I need to create. The entry is, say, office rent account data to, since vendors are not there, I'll take bank. Posting key 40. Right, office rent, say 400, 301 is my office rent. Post, what is this one? 04/2013. Posting period is no longer allowed for start date. First run. Let me OB52, our posting period. Let me check whether it is open or not. Our posting period is DRPV. See here 5 and 5. Let me make it open. 12. Right. First one is in the past. Yes. Say amount, I am taking some different amount to identify. Right here.
In real-time scenarios, I think it's not much easy to change all these posting period dates. They will change very
See,
easily,
in real scenario, end users will not be allowed to go into SPRO at all. Right, real scenario, no one can enter into SPRO except the users, except the consultants. No one can enter. Right, they will not be given authorization.
But if the end user want it to be posted, no, if end user want to be posted in the past days, then he will request the consultant normally, right?
Yeah, there is a process for that. First of all, he has to ask his superior, the finance manager or so. Say, I want to post in the old date. Then they will verify whether it is really required or not. If it is really required, then they'll raise a request to the consulting team through the that AMC. There will be a tool. In the tool, it will be recorded, and as soon as that is raised that request, that will come to the FSCO consultant. Then first he will make the change in the development client. Then it will be tested. Once it is tested, and then that will be sent to the basis consultant. That request will be moved, and after moving the request, then it is approved. Then only people can use it. There's a lot of process. Here we are just
then,
like
then
that
again,
we are doing it.
Again, he will change back to the same current dates. The posting dates.
Yeah, posting date.
So once the job is done, once the document is created, and if it is done, then again no need to be open for all the time, right? Because that is affected for all the documents.
It has to be closed.
Only for this.
And that too, in case
closed.
if any old document they have to post something like that, right? So that will not be done in the regular time, right? That will be done after the business hours will take. Maybe night at 8:30, 9 o'clock. Once the all users are closed, we block everybody. Then we allow. We'll be in front of the phone. We'll make a phone. Mas, we have opened the posting period open. I mean, this one. You post the entry and inform us immediately. So we'll send a mail, and that fellow will post it. Again, he'll send the request. Then we'll close it. That will be the process.
Yeah, that is it. Okay, right. Thank you.
Yeah, practically we do that. So this is the rent. Save it. See, now it takes 25 lakhs, 25 lakhs 1. It is not regular. See, if you check the GL account, there will not be any entry. See here. FS 10N to see the GL account. Office rent 400, 301 is my office rent. Just now I have posted recurring entry for 9,999. See, 9,999, it is not there at all yet in the first period, right? So, but the document stores in the, I'll show you where that document stores. Now again, I want to post one more. I want to post every month on 15th. Just to show you, I'm creating this one. 15/4/2013 to 14.
Your first one is on 30th of 4.
Yes, 03/2014. 14 March 2014. Right, this is the last one. I want to show you how system works for different dates. Interval during the months. Take 01. Document type SA. INR. Transaction date is today's date. Nothing wrong. 40. I am taking office maintenance. Office maintenance 400 303. First and in the past. So I am taking 8888. Test for 50 200 405. Amount. Right? Okay. Post. So here we have created recurring document. Right? If you want to see the recurring document, go to document, reference documents, recurring document, change display. Right? See? Document list. See, two documents, 25 lakhs 1, 25 lakhs 2. Like that, any number of documents we can post here. And even if you want to make any change, right, I can make a change of this amount, etc. If I want to make change, I can make, because this is not yet posted. It is only now storing in the recurring documents list. It is not posted to GL. Right? Now I want to post every month. Right? Every month I want to post this document. So generally in real scenario, whatever the recurring documents entries are there, maybe 50 or 100 or 200, whatever it may be, right? All those things we create just like this. Once we create, now I want to post it. So this is a period end job. So go to periodic processing. Recurring entries, F.14 execute. So every month one accountant will be given responsibility of execution of recurring entries. Right, company code. DRLB fiscal year 2013. And if you give document number, system will execute only those document numbers. If you don't give any number, system executes all the recurring entries, it will be posted. So that's why if you want to post on a specific documents, I have to give numbers from here to here. Right, I need not give anything. Settlement period. So settlement period, what I can do is say 01 04 2013 to 31st 03 2014. Just give the year, the range of the year. Batch input session name. So what I can do, I can give some batch input session name. So what system will do before posting, what are the number of entries that are there, it will prepare a batch, and the total batch entries will be posted at a single time. So for that we need to create one name. So what I'm doing is, say for example, so I'm giving just my name. So to have a change, I'm giving Anand N. Once I give this, session Anand N was created. After that, we have to execute batch input session. So execution of batch input session means system creates and keeps all the entries in one stack. Go to system, services, batch input sessions. Right? Go to system, services, batch input sessions. It will take us to T code SM35. SM35. See, my batch is there here. Select batch. Click on process. Right. Say created by user, but batch input session name is this. created by me at so and so date, right? Select this, click on process. Here we have two options. One is process foreground, display errors only, background process. So mainly process foreground, process background. If I select process background, system posts the entries in a fraction of a second and it will show us. I'll execute both and show you. Right, background process. Finish. Entries are posted. Go to FS engine and see. See office rent, nothing is there now. Come out. See, first month amount is there. So in the month of April, system has posted the entry 9,999. Which date? 30th 4. If you see, test for recurring. Three not three. 8,888. Posted on 15/4. So first month, both the entries posted. Let me execute second time. Here I need not tell to the system, I need not give any date. But here you give this, that's all. Document type, posting date. If you want to specifically give, you can give, otherwise not required. Even I don't give batch input session name. Let us see what happens. Session SAPF 120 was created. So there is a session name, system by default it creates. Right, I can go system batch input sessions, or straight away I can go to SM35. See, SAPF 120 created by me. So if you create with your name, you can identify, because simultaneously if people are working on the screen, and so that you'll not miss it. Otherwise you don't know. If you have, of course, user ID, you can identify. Process. I'll show you foreground how it works. Let us see. Click on process. As soon as I click on process, see, it will go to the FBD5 and it will start posting the preparing the document. Yeah. So I think now you are able to hear me.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So system, see, on 35. The first one is 34. Now it is 35. Next one 36. My accounting entry. Press enter. Next one is in the past. No worries. So first one is over. Second entry 15/5. During this process, if you want to give business area, I can give business area. Processing of batch input session completed. Come back. Go to again. FS 10N 400 303. See, second month posted. Like that, every month system will post automatically. It may be one entry or 100 entries. Same process. It will post in a fraction of a second like this. But we need to execute it. We cannot leave it to system like that. Any doubt on this? here we have one more concept.
Anand,
Yeah.
Anand, one doubt I have. When you give the X, is that the X1 next to the number range which you give as default for the recurring sample document, or?
See, X1, X2 are the documents to create recurring document and sample document. Recurring document takes X1 number range, sample document takes X2 number range. Because why we have given X1, X2, I don't want the system to post into the GL immediately when I create.
Okay, I understood that, but we never specified that X1 and X2 anywhere, right?
Huh?
We never specified.
Where you assign that? Where you
yeah,
assign
where did we assign? We did not assign anywhere, so it will automatically take it, or it's a default.
No, we need not assign because
Okay.
See here, document types. There is already system defined.
That's what I am asking. So it's a default then.
I'll show you. X1 recurring entry to document, X2 sample document.
So the process default, so the system will automatically take it. We need not assign it.
We need not assign it. See here we are not assigning document type anywhere, we have not assigned.
Okay.
But here it is taking 91, but don't go by with this.
Okay.
Right? And X1, X2.
So though the system has default values there, so it is taken automatically from here. Right? So no need to assign separately again.
No need to assign.
No, but even if you take any other new names, other than X1, X2, then we have to assign?
No. System will not accept anything other than X1, X2. That we have to create again. We have to create document type also you have to create, and say that is standard defined. Right, when it is there, better we take only those things.
In the same area, define document types of entry view. Can you please click again? There. Again, I think we can create a new entries by Y1, Y2 also if you want.
You can do that.
We can again maintain this, right?
Yes, you can. Do one thing. You try and tomorrow tell me. Right?
Yeah, sure. Right.
Okay.